If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Skype, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device or visit the Skype website. Ensure you are on the login page to begin the reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your account information. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Skype account. This information is necessary for Skype to identify your account and send you a verification code. Step 4. Verify your identity. Check your email or SMS for verification codes sent by Skype. Enter this code in the designated field on the website or app to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset two-factor authentication. Once your identity is verified, follow the prompts to reset your two-factor authentication settings. You may need to set up new authentication methods such as a different phone number or authentication app. After completing these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Skype. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skype support for further assistance.